YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm Patty. I go by Pattymac Makes everywhere online. In today's video, I'm going to participate in the, oh gosh, what is it called? There's nothing like being prepared before you start shooting. Take two. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Patty. I go by Pattymac Makes everywhere online. And in today's video, I'm in a different spot than normal. I'm sitting at my desk and you can see my sewing area is kind of behind us. And this is to participate in the, Sewing Room Declutter Challenge for 2022. And it's hosted by Karen on Done Quilts. Karen is fantastic on her channel. She's extremely knowledgeable and she's incredibly good on camera. Her videos are awesome. So if you are not familiar, I highly recommend her channel. And she's hosting, I'm looking at it right now. She's hosting a Declutter Your Sewing Room for 2022. So it starts out by just showing the mess, okay? And then talking a little bit about what it is you hope to accomplish. So I thought that's where we would start. She's already on to day 4, which is books, and yesterday was magazines. So I'm like not even following the challenge correctly. I'm doing my best over here. Okay, so let me just show you what it looks like, and then I'll talk about what I want to kind of work on over the course of the month, and I'll just give you some updates as we go. So we'll just start in the corner. This is my desk and it's still a disaster. I still have 2 computers set up because I'm trying to get the last bit of what I need from the old machine to the new machine. And then the old machine can go into a different place. That's coming. But you can see it's still just kind of messy. That's the next series of projects. I turned them around so you can't really tell what they are. But anyway. Here's the mess of a dining table. You can see the little pretty runner that I made for Christmas. All the clutter. It's like clutter, people. So here we go. Here it is. This is the reality of what my space looks like. I will also tell you, I just filmed some videos, and this is what it looks like when I'm done filming a couple of videos. Even just simple videos. It is a disaster. Just, yay, guys. Anyway, here's my sewing table. And it's generally set up. And I have my 2 machines. And I got this new machine on a Black Friday sale. Let me tell you, I love this thing. I have been using it for the actual quilting of projects. And it is fantastic. So full review coming, but not today. So, all of this obviously just needs to be straightened up. I'm struggling with the plants. The plants are just way too big for the space. I'm actually rehoming one of these gigantic monsteras because I can't anymore. It's too much. I love them. I would have 10 of them, but I can't. They're making me crazy. Okay. So here's where I keep all of the fabric, and it just needs to be straightened up. It's just a mess. It just needs to be tidied. And okay, so this is the big part of the project and the mess. Just a disaster. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of that piece of furniture, and all of those little trinkets are going to be either rehomed or they're going to go onto a different shelf. Basically, I want to get rid of that. I want to get rid of this old chair. We're not using it. And free up that wall space because I want the wall space to be able to do photography. I really need it for that reason. And it's just a mess. And then just, projects that need to be organized and put away. But this is the big thing for me to work on this month. And my crafting cart, it needs to be just sort of reset and reorganized. And I'll just swing over here. I have been doing some straightening up over in this corner. There's the little plant runner that I made. And here's the back side of the kitchen island, the cutting table, and you can see that all needs to be straightened up. And you know, it's just one of those things. Over here, I'll show you. There's the calyx. That thing has been fantastic. And as I go through and get all of this put together and where it needs to be in here, I'll show you how I'm using it, because it's really helped me to organize a lot of my stuff. And we'll just swing back around this way. So I told you I had set up because I just filmed. There's the light. Anyway, and here's the sewing table. And I just unboxed that particular box of items. That was sent to me by a viewer, if you can believe it. So generous. So, yeah, all of that's got to be put where it's going to go, and all of this. This is reasonably picked up. I redid my Skadis, and I have really been enjoying it. Yeah, you can see I still have the stockings up. So I couldn't get them over to the fireplace because the plants are all in the way. So I got the hangers, and I just hung them on the back of the door, which I thought was really cute. Anyway, we'll talk about the Skadis. And then I've got this bookshelf. This actually is in the Tornviken collection, so it matches the kitchen island. And it's just kind of a catch-all, and I need to take some time and pull everything out and rethink what I'm doing there, because it's a mess, and that needs to be better utilized. Karen was talking about today's books and magazines, so you can see I've got quite a stack of magazines I need to get through. And then I've got gobs of books. I need to get through those. I have more books, and I'm not sure where they are. I have to find them. This Secret Lives of Color, I had just bought that like in October maybe, and now Pat Sloan is also doing a challenge. There's a lot of challenges going on. I can't do them all. My life is my own challenge. Let's just put it that way. Okay, so here's the overview of the chaos. Isn't that awful? And this is why I had to get into the bigger room, because it just makes such a darn mess. And, you know, I don't know what to do about this, but my ironing board is out all the time. I need a way to quickly put away the iron and ironing board, so I have to work on that. That'll be part of this whole straightening thing. Okay, so that's what I got. Okay, that's my mess. I'm sharing it with you. I don't usually like to show everybody my mess. I like to just keep that to myself, but all the kids are doing it, and some people asked me to kind of show it and share it, so I am. And yeah, this is what I'm dealing with. So it will be cleaned up, and let me tell you guys, I am working on getting some admin stuff out of the way, just the real like drag BS kind of stuff that you have to do when you put yourself online. Not a fan, but it has to be done, and I did power out a lot. It's funny. The thing that I did, I thought it would take me like a couple of hours. It took me 5 days, so if that gives you an indication. Okay, it's getting on after 2 o'clock, and I still have to go out and do a bunch of errands and just life stuff, so I'm going to head out and do that, but I did want to check in and just show you the disaster. It's awful. So I'll have that waiting for me when I come home, and wish me luck that I can get it cleaned up, and I know I can. It's just, it's one of those things that's the drag, right? Anyway, but I'm grateful to have the room. I do like the room so much. There's my little desk. You can see it behind me. So yeah, so I just kind of have this for my creative space that flows right over to my desk, and I like it so much because I have a lot of natural light and space, which I needed. Okay, that's it. That's all I can even walk through the mess. That's all we're gonna do today. That's the video, such as it is. And I don't know if that helps you or not, but you can see what a mess I'm dealing with. So, okay, time to catch up on Karen's videos. I don't really have a lot of garbage. I have more garbage today because I opened stuff, so I need to get boxes out. But I didn't really have a lot of garbage stuff. Mostly for me, it's just putting things away. So that's what I need to work on. Okay, that's it. That's the video. I hope that wherever you are, life is treating you well and you're having a great day. And I'll see you in the next video. And until then, I usually say happy sewing. But today I'm going to say happy cleaning.